friends, now let's pick from where we left off the end of the last demo. So there we have created a field map visualization. As you can see, the location card contains country hierarchy, and at this point we don't have any field in listen, latitude and longitude. Where we are going to go with this to color code these hierarchical fields based on the sales of toys on the geographical areas. But before that, let's just see how the field map can be used in order to drill down event without the use of any another numeric field. So we are going to use field maps clearly as a map. Let's start by clicking on the double arrow button. You can see in the list of icon in the top right as the tooltip. So this double arrow button help us to go to the next level in the hierarchy, as you can even see in the tooltip. At this point we are at the top level, which is the country level. So when we hit that arrow, we are going to go down one level to another level. So as we hit first time OK, we will see that we are going one level down, and we are now, so our map is now changed and we are now to the state. So if we look closely, we can see some but not all of the states are visible. So if we look closely, we can see some but not of the states in US, Canada and Australia are now shaded. And this tells us that we are missing state information for several of the states in our data set. Of course, that's perfectly fine. There is nothing to say that we need to have sales in every state of these countries. What happens if we are going to click on double arrow button again? This will take us up to one level further down in hierarchy and one level down from the stated city. So if I will click here again, you people will feel that map is changing once again. So if we click them and are surprised, the map seems to go blank. And well, we know we have gone one level down into the hierarchy, and we can see if I am going to explore this like that, we can expand it in the way more detail. So you can see in Japan there are few uh, cities where we can see there is some sales. So if I'm going to zoom in once again, you can see there are few things which are really visible, as we can see here, here. So these are few cities. Similar fashion, if we do it like this, we can see so this means we are at the lowest level and we can't go any lower. By then map is blank. If you think about this, it makes perfect fine. If you click once again, you will see the map is blank now. What this happens? This is perfectly fine, because if you make it sense that lowest level in the hierarchy is the city, but cities are not large enough to appear in this view. Let's confirm this hypothesis and see. We click on the feature Sofia, then we can see there are few cities which are appearable. So let's see, we will see this one city. So my dear, you can see how we can change the map. Now if at here I am seeing something like at Naples, there are some cities where we can see sales is there, and how we can justify it. Cities in APAC territory is showing by blue, and cities in EME's is dark blue. For Japan it is orangish blue. So there are some areas which indeed highlighted here. This confirms that drill down into the field map is indeed working so far. So good. Let's go back. So let's go back to the format pane in the data color card, and we choose a different color for the default color. So we will go here in format pane in map setting. We can see we will go to the fill color. If we go to the color, if we choose a different color for the, so let's go with the orange color for epic. Let's, we are considering this one color here. So if we change the color, we will find that in, zooming out, it will be perfect fine. As we scroll down, we can see some shaded area here. So this will show the sales of our, this will tell us the information about our data set. We are now at the lowest level of hierarchy, that is city level, and here is the button which is working for going to one level up, that is up arrow and up for hierarchy. From city level where we go, we go to the state level. If we click here once again, we see the state will be highlighted. As you click here, state BC, territory NA. Okay. If we click once again, now we are at the intermediate level. So if we click on one more time, now the countries will be highlighted. So now it's clear that we have been successfully able to navigate up and down in our hierarchy. Please note that zoom is still a useful feature, and we can use zoom in order to confirm that tooltip is also updated to show the current level of drill down hierarchy. So if we zoom in here, you will see this country Japan, and tooltip is showing in a good way, and territory is also Japan. So this is the use of zooming in zooming out feature. And please note that zooming and panning both works for field map visualization. You can see we are panning from one place to another. That is also the case for visualization. Let's continue to drill down exploration with different button. So this is the button this time with two diverging arrows, which is read expand all down one level in the hierarchy. Now we are at the top level, country level. As soon as we check on it, the map will change, and as we click on it, you will see that state across all the different countries are highlighted. As soon as we hover over the state here, we can see the tooltip including all the information about country, state. So we have both the countries as well as the state. So tooltip reflects both the level of hierarchy as well as all levels above the current level. A moment ago, where we had drilled down hierarchy from one level to another, it was not the case. But here we only come down one level of hierarchy. Tooltip shows both information. Let's take this data. Click once again here to go to the city level, and we will see the cities which will be represented in our data set will be there. If this is not this, they will not appear here. So here you can see by here by zooming in, zooming out, and by drilling up to another level, we can see the information in more detail. So zooming in, zooming out may work for different kind of view in our visualization. So I am ending here, and I will continue a few more topics in my next demo. Okay, thank you so much.